Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we got swing trading level for BPCL: buy above 580.55 and sell below 507.85. Let's see how it's performed today. Today market is open in between that level, okay, and it comes down and it's break 507.85 here, okay. Then it's made low at 504.10. Around 3.70 points we got it as per breakout. After then it's trying to break two times that level, then third time it's break and goes up. So today it's worked fine. Whenever it's break two candles above, that's the stop loss. Some people are asking me about what is the stop loss. So suppose here it's a breaking, so this is the stop loss, or this level is the stop loss, this level is the stop loss, two candle above the stop loss, okay. Okay, let's see today's stock. We are using decision point tool. Today pick IBULHSGFIN Finance, manual decision point. Let's find tomorrow buy and sell level. Okay, swing high and low will give the level. Okay, buy level we got it. 206.20 is the buy level. Okay, sell level we got at 181.85. Buy above 206.20, sell below 181.85. These are the two levels we got for tomorrow trading. So if market is open in between this level, you just watch it. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasneela2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasneela.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.